Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. Have you ever wondered how two powerful words Vande Mataram ignited the spirit of India's freedom struggle? In this video, we will show you how to write a high-scoring, impactful essay on Vande Mataram, the mantra of freedom, in a simple, structured and exam-oriented way. Whether you are a school student, competitive exam aspirant, or someone preparing for speeches and essays, this video will help you craft an introduction that grabs attention, body paragraphs that reflect patriotism and history, and a content that leaves a lasting impression on the examiner. Stay till the end to learn powerful words that can instantly elevate your essay and help you stand out in exams and competitions. Now, let's get started with the video. Vande Mataram is a powerful expression of India's soul and spirit. These two words meaning I bow to thee, mother, express the deep emotions Indians feel for their country. These words have echoed through the pages of Indian history as a sacred call for freedom and unity. Written during the freedom struggle, Vande Mataram became the voice of a nation that longed to break free from the chains of colonial rule. During the struggle for independence, when the country was divided by fear and oppression, Vande Mataram united people across regions, languages, and religions. It gave courage to revolutionaries, strength to freedom fighters, and hope to millions of Indians who dreamt of a free nation. Chanting these words was not easy at that time. It demanded bravery, sacrifice, and an undying love for the motherland. Vande Mataram symbolizes respect for the land that nurtures us. The culture that shapes us. And the values that bind us together. It reminds us that freedom was not gifted to us, but earned through immense struggle and countless sacrifices. Even today, when we sing or hear this mantra, it fills our hearts with pride and responsibility. In modern times, the meaning of Vande Mataram goes beyond political freedom. It inspires us to work honestly, respect our nation, protect its unity, and contribute positively to its progress. True patriotism lies not only in slogans, but also in our actions as responsible citizens. Thus, Vande Mataram remains the eternal mantra of freedom. one that continues to guide, inspire, and awaken the spirit of India in every generation.